friends, this is the kitchen bench build again. I am going over and pondering out loud to a camera all by myself, talking to myself in my garage. That's the fun of YouTube videos. I have, this is what, 3/4 inch, I guess it's box tubing. I have at least 10 feet of it here, and I'm thinking, do I put it, see, this might be a stretch. If I put it, let me get a little piece. Or do I have a little piece somewhere? Anyway, I have this, and I'm like, should I put it from edge to edge on both sides, and then one in the middle? It should be strong enough to keep it from wobbling, like bending a little. Not sure. Angle bracket would be a lot better, but I don't have any long pieces of angle bracket. Angle bracket might be a little better. I probably need at least a 1-inch angle bracket. This, I know this tubing is, it's pretty sturdy. So if I lock it in a few spots, it might hold it from, might keep it from bouncing, but angle bracket has a angle this way and angle that way, and it's exactly that, keep it stronger. And I don't want to use bed frames because they suck. So I definitely have this to match the top piece to go on here, 44. Actually, it might be a little longer. I'll have to measure that. I am probably going to have to drill the holes in here and come in here and cover the whole thing up with tape and then tack weld it and then pop it off. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mock up the whole thing, get the pipe in there, cut it, tack weld it in place, take it out, take it, unscrew it, take it off, bring it outside. But I don't know if I should put matching. I don't know how ugly it's going to look if I have this sitting right here on here with a piece of 3/4 inch tubing welded right to the corner over here. Put one here at 44 1/4 to hold it. Pop some holes in it, screw it in place. I'm not sure how well that's gonna, because I mean, you still gotta think of aesthetics. I mean, I don't like making ugly shit, and maybe some people do, but I'd like it to at least look a little bit visually pleasing. If I had a 44-inch piece of oak, 2 of them, I know I have one at least 6 feet, and I'm not going to pay $45 for a piece of oak just so I can screw it up and change my mind again. I know this is a lot stronger. It might be a lot not perfectish, whatever you want to call it. My poor English here. So stay tuned, and I'm going to see if I can find something else to show you in this video. Hello YouTube. I do have one piece of 3/4 inch angle bracket. One. So I have enough to make one little side, but I think it doesn't match up. This is 1.5 pipe, and I'm putting 3/4 inch. Like, look, it doesn't. So I need at least, I think I need at least 1 inch to make it look less sloppy. So I'm probably going to go buy a 20-foot piece of 1 inch of this later this week. And this I'll use for the top. I'll cut it, and when I get the bottom part, I'll cut out 2 1-inch pieces and mock it all up. It never fails. It's like, I only got one piece. I have bed frames, but I think they're 2 inches, and I don't think 2 inches look too big. It is gonna make it too heavy, and I don't have another one like this. I don't have any anywhere. So, and I do have aluminum, but I don't know how to weld aluminum to this. So, this I just doesn't. This piece looks like too puny for the job. So I'm not gonna put 1.5 inches. Maybe I should. I got a piece probably big enough. It's not gonna be angled. It's gonna be backed into there. You know what? Maybe I should just cut out 2 pieces, 44 1/4 inches, and just put them in there. 2 big pipes. It'll be beefier. I mean, mind you, it doesn't need that much beef. A 1-inch pipe would work just as good if it was a 1-inch box tubing. And I know they're not cheap right now. Price of steel has gone way through the roof. So one of these is L things is, yeah. It was last time I checked. It wasn't like $100 or whatever. It was reasonable. And I know the box tube extruded tubing like this here is ridiculously priced. Probably because it's not easy to make. So, you know, I'm gonna think about that. I might put one of these bigger tubes in there because I know I have several pieces of larger tubing like that. And where the hell are they? I don't know. Oh well. So yeah, it's like logjam, one problem after another. So anyway, I'm gonna put the surfboard away, put this away, and maybe I will cut a piece like that tomorrow. It's getting late. It's the night out. And yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. Toodles.